day everyone. This drama shows how students became behave during community immersion.
Hey, this place looks funny. Yes, let's just take pictures everywhere.
Yeah, let's go!
Go.
Excuse me, please ask permission for taking pictures. We promise to give you all the assistance necessary.
Please do not make promises if you cannot fulfill.
We need honesty and respect from all visitors.
Lack of respect and false promises can destroy trust in the community.
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. We are the NSTP student. We are here to learn and help your community.
Good morning. Welcome to our barangay.
May I ask permission to take pictures for documentation?
Thank you for asking. We will listen to your concerns and respect your community.
We cannot do everything we promise, but we will do our best to help within our capacity.
Students, thank you for your honesty and professionalism.
Thank you so much, class.
Respectful behavior, honesty, and professionalism help students build trust with the community.
Respect and action build strong communities.